Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up Stand and Please Donate mobile. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. Now, if you want to set up your own stand here and maybe start receiving some donations, well, this one is pretty easy. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Roblox app here and want to log in into your account. Now, the bottom right, you want to go and click on More. Now, inside More, you want to look for the Create option. Let's go and click on Create. Now, inside Create, you want to go ahead and click on the 3-bar icon I see at the top left of your screen. Let's go and access this one. And you want to go and click on Creations. Now, from here, you want to go and just scroll down a bit here until you see the Your Place section. Now, let's go and just select this one. Now, the first thing that you want to guarantee here is you want to guarantee that your place is actually in public. So if it's not in public, you won't be able to use the passes that we'll be creating later on. So yeah, so at the top left, you want to go click on the 3-bar icon again, and you want to go ahead and choose the configure option here and go to settings. Now, inside settings, you may want to go and just scroll down a bit here. Now, choose the privacy to public. Now, once you've done that, they may also require you to answer a few things. So, in this case, the maturity does include blood or any violence. You may need to answer no in order for it, or in order for you to basically submit or to make your place public. But yeah, so at the very bottom, go ahead and just click on Save Changes, and you should be good. Now, let's go and click on the arrow at the top left. Now, in here, you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon at the top left of the screen again. Scroll down a bit here and just choose monetization. Now, inside monetization, you want to go and choose the passes option. Now, inside passes, you want to go and click on create a pass. Now, in here, you can go and just add whatever you want to say. So, for example, I'm going to say, please donate 1,000. Now, from here, you can add your description. So, I'm going to say, please, and just go and click on create pass. Now, your pass will be created, and what you need to do next is you want to go and just click on your pass. Let's go and click or select this. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on the 3-bar icon at the top left of your screen. And from here, go to sales. Now, you can set the price for it. So, I'm going to set this as a item for sale. Go and select that and go ahead and just choose the amount. So, I'm going to add 1,000. Now, from here, just go and click on Save Changes. And once the pass has been saved, what you need to do is you want to go and exit the page here. Go and click on the X at the top left. Go to your home here. Go ahead and look for Please Donate. Let's go and click on the play button and wait for a while. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to start setting up your stand. Now, setting up your stand is quite easy as well. What you just need to do here is you just need to move your character to where an empty stand actually is. So, by default, it will guide you on what you could actually do in here. So, let's go and just move our character. So, let's go ahead and move it. So, I think something is blocking my way here. So, let me just fix this one real quickly. So once you are in front on one of these stands here, you can go ahead and just click on or press and hold on the stand claim, and you should now be able to claim your stand. Now, in this case, if you scroll to the right, you should now see the 1,000 that we just recently added. Now, from here, what you just need to do is you just need to press on the stand edit here. So, press and hold on it. And if you want to change the boot here, so you can go and edit it and the text for it, text font, text color, stroke capacity, and a lot more. So, if you want to really customize that, and also if you want to unclaim the boot, you can go ahead and do that. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.